So welcome to our first IKEA haul at the new shop. It's a little echoey because
still need to put lots of stuff in here.
Still pretty empty, but we did do, Zeb wasn't there. Zeb was at a football game. I did some good work at IKEA last night. I actually came for, can you pass me these, 19? Caitlin sent me to IKEA to buy 4 packs of these. They're $1.99 each, and then I wound up spending over $400 because I was like, while I'm here, I'm going to get all the things that I need because I do not have time to come back. Some of it is for shop organization, some of it is for shop inventory.
Because we're planning on putting paintbrushes in these, I think.
Yeah, so these are magazine holders. They're the flipped. $1.99 for a pack of 5.
Oh, push too hard.
It's nice because you've got like the shorter front, so you can see what you've got going on, but it'll hold all the paint pixies.
Next item on the list, a pillow.
So IKEA has these pillows, the Fajarar. This, I can't say it.
Is the F silent?
I don't know.
Maybe the F and the J are both silent.
I can't say it, but here it is.
Maybe it makes a Y sound.
Yadrar.
Yadrar.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see it. These are inserts. They're $6. They're the cheapest place to get down inserts for pillows.
They poof up real big.
They get poofy and you can chop them. See, they look kind of flat, but then you just...
Everything from IKEA comes vacuum sealed.
Boom, chop that. So I also picked up, are the covers in there?
Yes, they are.
Okay, so we got these.
Your favorite girly covers.
My girlies. Where my girls at?
G-U-R-L-I.
I picked up 6 of these and 6 of the inserts. These are $3.99 each. So between the insert and the pillowcase, only $10. Throw a quick little stencil on there, and that's a $25 to $29 pillow all day long.
Yep.
And people love down inserts. I love it because they're only $3.99, so if I make a mistake, it's not the end of the world. And then I just stencil the other side and then just take it home.
Yeah, and then we can use it for pictures or whatever. No one cares that it's double-sided or messed up on the other side. Also
great for classes. You know, if you want to do a stencil or a stamp class. We're thinking we'll have some classes. We're actually going to take what used to be my retail space, and that's going to be my studio/class space, probably for the new year. You know, we got a house to finish, so once you finish that, then I'll worry about doing classes.
So we got a ton of these. Show them up close.
Okay,
what are those for?
These are the Holsbees. I'll open one so you guys can see it.
I got it.
Oh, you got it?
Yep.
I bought 8 of them. I might need more. They're perfect for little signs. I'm gonna have one by the cash register that says like, check your stuff, all sales final. Being a little shop and selling paint and vintage items, we can't take returns because things are, you know, paint gets used up and vintage items do have imperfections. So I just wanna make sure that they know that. So I'll make a little sign for by the cash register. Also, when you're having a sale, it works really great. Instead of taping a piece of paper to the wall, which was my previous way, you can just set these up in a little area and have all the sale details, and it looks profesh for 99 cents.
That's pretty cheap.
Yeah,
I was thinking it would have at least been $2.99.
No, 99 cents.
Wow.
Yeah. So there we go.
Dollar store pricing right there.
Yeah, I love me some IKEA. All right.
Tape.
Tape. This was on sale for 69 cents, and it comes in this cool dispenser. It's the full Folja. Cheaper than the dollar store. Woo woo. Scrub brush.
Scrub brush, we use these a ton for all kinds of things, from cleaning brushes, to stencils, to stamps.
To vegetables.
It's amazing.
Usually I keep 1 for food, 1 for paint brushes, and you don't want to mix the 2. Although our paint is all natural.
I don't really think it'll get used for food much here though.
Probably not. And I like the kind with the suction cup, because it can stick up where it needs to go instead of like flopping around.
Yeah, it helps it dry out too.
Yeah, and it's mint. I like that. IKEA has the coolest sizes of Ziploc bags because they're like different than what we get from, there's this one, so hold on.
That's the 5, I think they also have the quart measurements. That's 5 quarts and this is 1.5 gallons.
Yeah, 6 quarts. 6. So this is the big Mama Jama, and then this one. And each box has 2 sizes, and they've got cute designs on them.
So what are the plans for these little guys? Are these more organization for shop supplies, or are they for displays?
Those are for shop supplies in our cabinet by the front desk, that old antique cabinet we were gonna put next to it.
These don't, how much were these?
Like $4 or $5, I can't remember exactly.
They don't have a name on them, just a SKU number.
I think I still have my receipt in my wallet, so we can show them the receipt when we're all done. The excitement continues.
More of these are amazing.
They're cutting boards, but we use them for offloading and for brayering. They're $1.99 for 2 of them, and we haven't bought some in probably 6 months, and ours are pretty sad.
Well, they're so cheap, we've gotten to the point where we don't even worry about scrubbing them super good. You know, we get them cleanish, and then if there's still paint or stain on there, or ink, whatever.
Yeah, I like it because it's reusable, so especially if you teach classes and stuff, you could even probably cut these on your miter saw and cut them into forks, and when you're teaching a class, then you could give each person their own mat.
So what is this?
These are exciting.
That is for the stencils.
These are for the stencil display. So can you guys see that? It's made for curtains, but we're gonna use it with these and hang up our stencils, and we're gonna stagger them so you can see the design, and we were hopefully able to fit all of our stencils in one area. So we'll get this put up today. I don't have all my new stencils yet. They should be here at some point, so we'll see if we get them before the video gets done, but I'll at least put up my existing stencils. And I believe these were a couple of dollars, and this was $14.99. We bought 5 of them. But $14.99 is cheaper than pipe, right?
Oh yeah, pipe is like $1.50 a foot or something like that, maybe more.
And this wire is surprisingly strong.
Oh yeah, you probably hold 100 pounds or more with that.
Yeah, and those stencils don't weigh that.
Actually, it should have the rating on it.
I don't know, it holds curtains, and those look like the heavy kind of curtains.
Maybe when we open it up inside, it'll have the weight rating.
Yeah.
So
All right.
let's show them this so you can show them all of your hangers.
Okay.
Oh, here's all the description.
This is brand new, IKEA just came out. It comes in this color minty green, which is perfect for my style, and then they also come in red. I saw it on the Queen Bee Market, I saw it on their feed, and ever since I saw it, I was like, I gotta have that. So 50 bucks for that, for a clothes rack for the shop, I feel like is pretty good. What do you?
That's gonna be used.
IKEA.
This is not from IKEA, but Jamie wanted to have all wooden hangers. We're gonna have our merchandise up on there. It's got a fun little logo on the sleeve.
Woo-hoo.
And then I love junk. Jamie's favorite shirt, I think.
I do, I wear that one a lot.
How much were these wooden hangers?
So $4.99 for 8, which I believe is the least. Yeah, and I wanted wooden because I wanted them to last and look nice. They have them in white. They were a little bit more expensive for white, but I like this color, the natural light wood. So, ta-da!
It'll go good with that green minty color for the rod hanger system.
Yeah, for now I only have shirts, but I've ordered aprons, hats, and tank tops, and they will be here, maybe not by our soft opening, but probably by the end of the week. This is for our jewelry display. It's called the Ask Holman. So if you have a question, you ask Holman. It's outdoor trellis, but it reminds me of those big accordion things that have the hooks on them. Okay, this is gonna be our jewelry display. I've ordered cup hooks for it, and it was 24 something. And if you had the IKEA family card, it was even cheaper. But I couldn't find mine.
But her card was in my wallet and I wasn't there.
You cost me like $6. Anyways, so I like it because we can make it fit that wall the way we want it to. This is a topiary. It's the Feccia. All their fake plants are called that. I found that out, by the way.
Yeah.
And normally it would be 50 bucks, and they were on clearance for 20, and they were almost all the way sold out. So when I see that kind of stuff at IKEA and I think it's cool, I buy it and then I just sell it for retail price because people won't be able to get it. And these topiaries, if you find them online, are more than $50. So it's still a good deal for my customers.
Well, and I like the IKEA plants because they have like a really realistic look to them.
Yeah, and so, yeah. And if nobody buys them, they'll at least look good in the space. So there's that. Now, I have more greenery that I did not get on sale, and I never charge more than what IKEA charges because, like, people know how much they charge. But, oops.
We'll usually arrange them in something. Are we gonna paint and stencil or stamp that?
I have pots, and we're gonna IOD these. So there's these are gonna get painted in molds, right? And so if I put them in something and I zhuzh them up, then I charge what I want for the pot, then add the price of the plant.
Well, these terracotta pots should look pretty cool with molds on them. I like the shape on those.
Yeah, I think these pots were like $3 a piece, and the plants are like $4.99.
Cool.
Now these gray ones, I'm not gonna paint. I thought we could just stamp them. Something cute. I purchased these boxwoods.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
Are those new?
I don't know.
I don't think you've had these before.
Yeah, so
maybe
I got,
you've had them, but they were different style, like rounded or something.
Yeah, I got 3 pots and 3 of each of these plants because I wanted to disperse some greenery. I would like to contact a nursery and do house plants in here, but I don't have the patience to keep them alive at this moment. We're going to incorporate all the things that we do with everything that we bought. If you guys want to see what I spent, here is my receipt. Don't be afraid. It's not all just shop stuff. A lot of it's for resale, so I will make my money back on it.
Yeah, we change everything. It's kind of like a thrift store haul. You know, it doesn't look farmhousey yet, but it will.
It looks a little farmhousey. If you're interested in the paint and products that we use today, be sure to go to JamiRayVintage.com for all your DIY needs. We hope you guys enjoyed this IKEA haul. Thanks for following along with us this week. All of our videos are all about the shop because that's what we're doing. We'll get back to the farmhouse 1917 renovation as soon as this shop is up and going, probably middle of next week.
Yeah, I mean, we might have to be here a couple days just to, you know, let the smoke clear and help out and make sure everything's running smoothly, but back to construction next week.
I'll be here and you can go there.
All right. We got to finish the tile in that bathroom.
I know, I'm excited. Be sure to hit that notifications button so you don't miss any of our shop or farmhouse videos. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
Hit the subscribe button.